Right now is Emphasis Digital Risk co-founder, the managing director there as well, Jeff Taylor. Jeff, great to see you. Thanks very much for being here. I want to ask you about crypto and how it's changing the landscape. But first, assess the market for us in terms of mortgages right now. We've got all these questions about the economy with rates on the way to go higher. How would you assess the market today?
It's great seeing you again, Maria. So right now, the housing market's probably the strongest that it's ever been. We're coming off a $3.9 trillion year in 2021. And as we head into 2022, the key stat that we're looking at is we're projecting a $1.7 trillion purchase market. To give perspective, this is the strongest purchase market in the last 25 years. And with home equity at all-time record highs at $23 trillion, this is as strong across the nation as we've seen the housing market in the last couple decades.
Yeah, that's terrific. Does anything slow it down with rates going higher, or do you think this gets managed within the market? Because rates are going to be very changed at the end of this year from where they were boosting the mortgage market in the past couple of years.
Yeah, 100% right. So from a refinance perspective, this year you can probably see about $800 million in refinances. Yeah, a year ago it was about $1.8 trillion in refinancing. So that's obviously come down significantly. Rates are going to be higher, but again, there's such tight inventory across the country, and you're seeing price appreciation grow about 7 to 8% nationally right now. So rates will change it, refinances will go down, but the purchase market will come up. And then to your question about the crypto market, right? We've talked a lot about crypto and all different asset classes. So in the housing market, let's talk about two aspects. Number one, if I'm a buyer right now and I want to use crypto to buy a house and I'm buying a loan backed by Freddie or Fannie, we're still not there yet. The GSEs are looking into be able to take crypto over the course of the next couple of years, but we're not there yet. However, we have seen crypto being pledged to buy houses in the housing market, where you've seen pledge your crypto today and we'll make you a home loan. But to give you an idea, that's only about $10 million on an annual basis of what was a $3.9 trillion market last year.
So is crypto being used largely in luxury home markets or across the board? How is crypto changing the situation?
It's a great question. So right now, crypto is being used in niche products where it's literally one-off type luxury homes where somebody is willing to stand behind the backing of that house, which is not your traditional bank and is not your traditional Freddie or Fannie to buy the loan. So right now, it's a very niche product, but between crypto and then the use of blockchain, which is different, to originate loans, we're going to see that increase significantly over the next couple of years. To give you a couple data points, in the HELOC market, home equity loan, we saw $3 billion originated on the blockchain in 2021. That's really significant because in that origination, we took out 100 basis points of cost and it's much faster and a much securer transaction.
Good stuff. Jeff, great to get your take on all of this. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much for having me, Maria. Great seeing you again.